Hello everybody, so this is a Halloween makeup tutorial collab with my sis Erika's Life. And as you guys can see, I'm using a palette, a crown palette and I'm basically going to use the basic colors that I usually use. And yeah, so this collab is with Erika's Life. It's a Halloween makeup tutorial collab. Definitely go check her video out. I'll have it down in the description bar below. She has amazing videos and you guys will not be disappointed, so definitely go check her out. Okay, all right, so I decided to do the vampire look, and I was trying to figure out what to do. I used the Morphe 3502, I believe it's called, and I use multiple palettes in this video, so you guys will see me switching back and forth. I meant to put like the palette on the side, but I didn't really have time because I would have to do all that and then render it and stuff like that. So basically, I'm just using multiple colors just to get the look that you will see towards the end. I am not going to talk through this whole video because it is too much. So I hope you guys really enjoy this as we go along. Okay, so now I'm using the Slayette palette, the Bebella Pro palette. I purchased this from Chaud a long time ago, and yeah, so I'm using some colors from that palette as well. I was trying to bring out the red a little bit, but was unable to bring it out as much as I wanted to, but so at the same time I was satisfied with the look that I had. Okay, then I tried to use this black. Now the black was not satisfying for me. I like to show you guys my imperfections, so I tried it and I was like, no, this is not dark enough for me, so I had to move on to another palette. Okay, so the palette that I moved on to was the Juvia's Place. Okay, as you guys can see here, and yes, there's some controversy with Juvia's Place. This is the Warrior 2, but I have the palette. I'm going to use it. Okay, sorry to those of you that are not interested in Juvia's Place, but yeah, but you could also use black from other palettes. Morphe 3502 does have a black eyeshadow, but I used up all that black eyeshadow, so that's why I was not able to use it from the 3502 palette. Okay, all right, so that's basically it about that. So these palettes you do not have to use. You can use whatever palette that is affordable for your pockets and whatever that is similar. Okay, I know a lot of us, you know, makeup enthusiasts and makeup artists use a lot of palettes, but you know, that you do not have access to or can have access to, but there are palettes that have the similar or the same color that we do use in our videos. So just, you know, try to, you know, match up to your budget and also what you already have. Okay, all right, so yeah, so I'm back to the crown palette and I'm going to do the same exact thing that I did on the other side, as you guys will see here. And I'm basically blending your frame. Remember that, okay? I be blending. Okay, so yeah, so that's basically about that. So yeah, so I'm just making sure everything is cohesively together, and I'm using from that palette once again. And the Bebella Pro palette is an affordable palette. I'm not sure if Chaud is still out there, but that's where I purchased it from, and that's just basically it about that. And so I'm blending everything in just to make sure that the black goes along. Okay, so now I'm going to do the eyebrow bone, and I'm going to make everything transition into all of the colors that I have used that you guys have seen. Okay, and so I'm just hitting that brow bone, and that's just basically about that. Eyebrows was done prior to. I do have a video on eyebrows. I'll try to link it down in the description bar below. I did like 3 eyebrow videos, so the latest one that I did is, which I will put under in the description bar below, and that's just what I use. I use Elf. I will try to put all the products that I use in this video down in the description bar below if you guys are interested. I say that, but I totally forget, so just remind me if you guys are interested. Okay, and that's just basically about that. So I'm just basically blending everything, making sure that everything is cohesively together, because you don't want anything looking separated. Okay, nobody got stuff. Okay, all right, so that's basically about that. So we're just going in, making sure that everything is good. Okay, so yeah, so I don't think I'm gonna talk through the whole thing, but I just basically about that. If I have anything else to say, I will come back and just enjoy the tutorial, and I'll be back when it comes to everything else, and everything else should be self-explanatory, and I will come back when it's time for the special effects part. Okay, everything else is basically explained like in my other videos and stuff like that. You don't need to hear my voice for that. Okay, all right, so that's basically about that. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Oh no, I'll be back. All right, okay. Okay, so I had to come back to here, and I wanted to show you guys, this is the banana powder and the Topaz, and you guys don't have bad creasing, so I had to come back and let you guys know because it had no label, so I wanted to show you guys, okay? I don't bake long, so as you guys can see, it was going real quick, okay? All right, so now we're going to use the Black Radiance Bronze Glow Compact Powder. I just use a little bit, and that's just basically about that, because I'm going to put the Revolution banana powder, because I don't know where my banana powder went. Okay, so yeah, I have to find that. So I had to use that, the Revolution banana powder, and just to make my face a little paler, because I am being a vampire, so this made my face a little paler to have like a ghost-like look. So yes, so to those of you that use a lot of this banana powder, this is what you'll look like, okay? But I don't know, it kind of looked decent a little bit, you know, and then it wasn't as pale as I wanted it to be, you know, but I mean, I don't know, y'all. But yeah, so I am going under my under eye with the Juvia's Place because I want to smoke it out. So I'm going to smoke it out, and then after that, I'm going to take a brush and smudge it out. Like smoke it out some more. Like I don't want it to just be a line. You want to smudge it out so it could look kind of like uniformed or like smoked out like a dust. So I took another brush and like smoked it out some more, as you guys can see here, so it looks a little better, so it don't just like a line out here, you know what I mean? Might got time to be looking like that, you know. All right, so that's basically about that. Okay, all right, so now we're going to get Rich Mahogany. Now I am going to fake contour just to make a deep, try to make a deep type deal, and it's fake because I don't really know how to contour, y'all. Okay, so don't be coming for me, okay? All right, okay. Oh, you did contour. Didn't I say it was fake? I said it was fake. Okay, okay. This vampire stuff is fake. Okay, so this is the fake contour. So don't come for me. Okay, okay. Because I don't contour on a daily. Okay, I just do a regular face and call it a day. Okay, I'll leave the contour to the makeup gurus out there, because I can't do it, you know what I mean? So yeah, sorry for you. You know, I could if you want the fake contour, it's like, oh, Marquita, I want the fake contour. I'm like, oh, okay, I got you. But so yeah, so don't come for me, okay? All right, so basically about that. So yeah, so this just to make some, like, you know, try to make it look like, you know, I should have put some like a deeper, I wish I had a cream contour. I think I did, but anyway, I put some blush because I couldn't help it, you know what I mean? So I just put a little bit, you know, a little dab. All right, so then I used the BH Cosmetics Spotlight, and I sneezed. Okay, I tried to cut that out, but I couldn't. So at any rate, you know, because I was still showing the product, I mean, yeah, what I using. So yeah, I used too much, so I had to go in and brush some off. Okay, I OD'd on the glow, so I used this because to make it look like a ghostly type deal look, you know what I mean? That's why I didn't use the gold. All right, so now we're gonna get into the scar putty. So we're gonna get into the fun stuff. Yay! We're gonna put like bite marks on the neck out here. All right, this was difficult for me because this stuff is mad hard. Okay, as you guys can see here, I had a little difficulties trying to put it on my neck. It was rolling all over the place. The same thing that happened last year. Okay, and I'm like, bruh, like why? I just want to make I just want to make a little piece of skin right here, but at any rate, so I was successfully able to put it on there. I had to go off camera, y'all. I'm sorry. So you just basically take a whole glob of it and then smear it on there on your neck, so you get a good, you know, piece of skin right there. Okay, as you guys can see the color of it, but that will be fixed, as you guys will see in the upcoming clips. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to dab some makeup over it, okay, just to blend in. Okay, blend is your friend. And then we're going to take some more and blend it out some more so it could look like it's a part of me. Okay, then we're going to take something and make like little holes out here, you know. And I was doing, you know, trying to do something, whatever. Then I took some vampire gel blood and I applied it in the hole and try to make a trickle down and stuff like that, you know. I mean, so, you know, try to make it, you know you know the dramaticals, you know, dramatics out here. So then I took some black okay, from the brush that was left over. Then I'm using the 32 palette. Is from my local beauty supply store, and I'm using, I think, the color purple, and I'm applying it around so it could like bruise. So this is like an infected bite out here. You know, I don't want it to be dramatic. You know, I could have had the little, you know, it could have been like nice and decent, but you know, I had the OD out here. All right, so I'm using the red. I'm using red, purple, and pink, you know, to make it look all bruised up. You know, somebody done bit me out here, and you know, it's just bruised up out here. You know what I mean? It's infected out here. Okay, so you know, that's how it is. Okay, so yeah, so that's what I did. Okay, to make it look like it's real. Okay, so that's basically it about that. So done with that part, and we are going to go in and hit the under eye with the red, and the red took out the black, so I had to go back in with the black a little bit. Yeah, so I could have just left it black, but I just, yeah. But anyway, so I'm gonna put some lip chap on, okay, and then we're gonna put the, I think it's called Cherry Skies from NYX Liquid Suede. Oh, I forgot to put the highlight right there, Cupid's bow. Okay, I forgot that part. All right, and now I'm going to apply the lippy, as you guys can see here. All right, and that's just basically it, you guys. I don't want to talk too much because after this I'll be talking after that, but this was a cool collab. This was fun, and definitely go check out Erika's life down in the description bar below. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy, and I'm setting everything with the setting spray, and I'm out of here, you guys. All right, so check her out down below. And that's basically it about that, you guys. And of course, watching. Peace, bye. So that is the tutorial. I don't think I showed y'all the vampire blood. This is the vampire blood that I use. That's what I have here. This is supposed to be like an infected bite. I just figured out what I could have done to do 2 bites. So I think I could have done like a I got some stuff on my hands. I could have done like 2, you know, I try to do like the bite here, but I could have did like a putty here and a putty here separate, and then I could have, like, you know, so that didn't happen. So y'all, yeah, so I got the little blood trickling down there, and I got the blood trickling all the way down, as you guys could see. And that's just basically it about that. So yeah, so I'm done. And I'll have all the stuff down below so you guys could see how to do it. I hope I showed like what I use. Yeah, I'm gonna show everything because I know y'all gonna be like, what was she use? Because you can't really see. But yeah, so okay, and the eyelashes and everything, I'll put everything down in the description bar below. So this was a vampire look, very, I guess you could say, simple. A dark look with a pop of red. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll be doing videos with Halloween edition. So some videos will be Halloween edition. Okay, you guys? All right, I'm done. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Bye. Because God concerns that. Hello, thank you for watching. Peace. Bye.